Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, the VIX cash is higher today, right around 1870, so we are seeing it bump up. We did see it briefly over 19 as the SPX is giving up some ground after attaining a new all-time high yesterday. So it is interesting as we're seeing the VIX cash climb to basically the highest level of the week that I think a couple of factors playing into this. Momentum is waning. If we were to close lower today in the SPX, that would be the third day this week that the SPX has actually closed lower on the session. So to me, that's an indication momentum is slowing down. Also, realized volatility unchanged week over week, basically right around 11%. And the skewed index is holding right around 139, so not a big shift there. So a little bit of an increase in at-the-money vol. The straddle in the SPX has increased a little bit, and I think that's where you're seeing the increased levels in implied volatility and pushing the VIX higher. Looking at the roll market, we're seeing that in about 35 cents today, so we are seeing that narrow, and also the futures curve is shifting higher and flattening slightly, but still in contango all the way out to October. VIX, measure implied volatility in the VIX options, that's 107 today, and that's up here the last couple of days after reaching a two-week low of 102 just a couple of days ago, so coming off the lower bound. And we look at activity in the VIX options, May, a lot of activity in May today. Out of the money calls trading very actively. Also a very interesting trade. And in the money, skewed put fly traded. And I want to point out, strikes 28, 23, 20. It went up, let's see here, 7,000 by 15,000 by 8,000. So an interesting skewed fly of in the money options trading on the puts in May. Next week, I want to point out we have several things, some data points highlighted by unemployment late in the week. We're also going to have Fed speak next week. And also the other thing I think is going to play into this is the spending and tax negotiations in Congress as well.